This is a 1977 Porsche 911S and the subject of our next restoration project. My name is Sean Robinson, workshop manager at Porsche Center, Vancouver. Some unique things about this particular car was the first year 911 to have a galvanized frame. Prior to that, they were quite prone to rust in rocker panels, wheel wells, windshield frame. With the galvanizing, it tended to slow that down a bit more. This 911 was the last year the 2.7-liter 911 engine. The next year was the 3-liter SC. The plans for this particular car are to turn it into period correct rally safari 911, so a rear-wheel drive off-road vehicle. All of the off-road 911s of this era were all two-wheel drive. It wasn't until the early 80s, and I think 953, that they became all-wheel drive, and then came the 959 after that. What makes it interesting with this project, turning it into an off-road vehicle, is it's something that nobody from our dealer has done before. One of the first steps of the project will be the disassembly and evaluating all of the components to see what needs to be replaced, repaired, or refurbished. Well, challenges that I foresee with this, bodywork, that'll be a big one. But the engine, transmission, there's probably a lot of surprises waiting inside both of those for us. Things I'm most excited about this project is just the transformation from a beaten old 911 to something that's been fully restored and a little bit unique. It will be fun to take it for a drive off-road when it's all done.